Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upload your own fonts into PicsArt. So you'll need premium for this. I don't have it, unfortunately, so I can't really show it to you like fully, but when you add your text here, you can obviously change the font by pressing on it. There should be like an upload button in my fonts here. As you can see, uploading fonts is a premium feature. Unlock it and more with Pro. So you're just going to download your font. You can use dafont.com or whatever other fonts that you have, I guess. So just upload it here. Download the font and then upload just the file of the font there. I can't really show it to you again because I don't have Pro, but you'll be able to change your font into the ones that you have uploaded. But that is pretty much it. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.